December. The summer breeze begins to chill, and the smell of pumpkin spice is suddenly everywhere. This fall, we tackle the less social, less connected, and less effective business reality we've been living since the great you-know-what. With inbound emerges a new era, the age of the connected customer. Here's some solutions we built for better business with customers seeking real connection, flexibility, and value. Customers crave authentic relationships, which means you need to understand how they interact with your organization. Customer Journey Analytics, now in beta, lets you visualize a customer's entire end-to-end journey so you can deliver the best experience. Gone are the days of questioning campaign ROI. Enter marketing campaigns. Turn tactics into fully orchestrated campaigns and measure performance across channels. Enjoy team alignment, one unified calendar and comments threads, a task list connected to assets, view revenue and deal attribution directly, and more. The Custom Report Builder brings data from marketing, sales, and service into one place for connected insights from across your flywheel. Recent improvements to the Custom Report Builder include scatter plots, pivot tables, and KPI comparisons, making customer insights more accessible to your teams than ever. Learn how your data is organized with a data model overview at Inbound. First, the improved Data Quality Command Center will gauge the health of all your HubSpot data in one place. Identify stale properties, data sync bottlenecks, and more before they snowball. Then, check out Data Quality Automation with AI-suggested fixes on formatting issues, like capitalization and spacing within CRM properties. Your database now practically cleans itself, like a little CRM Roomba. For fewer inconsistencies, use property validations to manage data reps' input into the CRM. Last but not least, set up a personalized CRM with the Custom Object Builder. No coding required. Optimize customer interactions by seeing critical information front and center on the record. See important properties, recent communications, and associated contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Switching gears here, check out ad conversion events. Associate your Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn ads with all the customer data in HubSpot, and do it in a completely blind way using industry-standard privacy mechanisms. When you connect a contact to conversion data with us, ad engines can safely optimize to the max. Ad effectiveness has increased by 80% for some. Run, don't walk. Make the best first impression with HubSpot's free website builder. A company's website, where customers tend to go first, is a crucial marketing asset. Growing businesses can now build beautiful, secure websites for free. Ever wish money grew on trees? This next update may give you that feeling. HubSpot now offers even more ways to accept payments, including forms, meetings, marketing email, and more. It's our goal to simplify customer transactions, so payment links now support an open amount field for buyers to customize. There's also more pay options like credit card, direct, or recurring payments. A win for all. Speaking of wins, now you can do a one-way sync from HubSpot payments to QuickBooks for easier accounting. Automate paid sales receipts and invoices. Automate creating products and reflect fees as journal entries. See? Accounting can be totally smoky. Building a more connected world means communication should go both ways, not just from you to the customer. Provide reps with unique phone numbers for placing outbound and receiving inbound calls right from and to their personal phone without exposing their personal number. Even better, record, transcribe, and coach based on call transcriptions live in the CRM. If you're on the go, access your shared inbox in the HubSpot mobile app. Provide support in real time. Respond to an open conversation, add comments, or reassign convos to another team member. Unlock true omni-channel customer service, too. Chat agents can switch their customer communication channel from live chat or Facebook Messenger to email. Bonus, teams can connect a WhatsApp business account as a messaging channel in the shared inbox and communicate with prospects and customers. And that's just the beginning. Discover more customer connection goodness on the Inbound Product Roundup blog. See you there.